Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today's vehicle for sale is a 2016 BMW X5 xDrive35i. This comes in a silver exterior. And I'll show you the interior here in just one sec. And we're going to do a quick little vehicle walk around tour, show you some of the features of this vehicle. You can see our dark gray interior, this nice kind of a wood grain accent trim. Got our door controls here. We've got our seat controls. We've got our driver's seat. And steering wheel. And hopping in, mileage currently at 77,175. Another quick look here at our steering wheel. Do have a push button ignition. And here we have our display. Currently showing navigation, radio, and backup camera. Below our display, we've got our climate controls here. We do have heated and ventilated seats, both driver and passenger. We've got a CD player here. We've got our cup holders. We've got your dynamic select here, so you can pick different sport modes, which will affect how the vehicle performs for you out there on the road. Let's see as I toggle it there. We do have our shifter here, BMW style shifter. And then we have our control dial here for making adjustments on our display. Also has some quick access buttons here to quickly access different functions on the display. Alright, go ahead and hop out. We do have a sunroof in this vehicle. Stretches from front to the rear. And we've got our rear seats here. Do have rear sunshades. Also have rear climate control. You can see heated seats back here as well. And quick peek back up front. Coming around to the back of the vehicle, we've got our BMW badging. Got a power opening and closing trunk. Push button to close. So if you're interested in getting additional information or even setting up a test drive of this 2016 BMW xDrive, just reach out to us on our website, feldmannimports.com.